So task 3 of the speaking section is about a scenario in which there is a reading passage following by a classroom lecture. So a reading passage, and then there is the explanation of what is stated in the reading passage. For example, there is a topic of flow, which is a constant state of involvement into something, irrespective to the time, the money, to whatever. You are just involved in that particular state, so that is called flow. And then there will be an explanation of that condition. There will be a lecture, and the lecturer will give the example of something which explains this scenario. So let's give a template and put it into the words that how it works. So for instance, you will have 20 seconds to prepare and 60 seconds to give your answer. So let's suppose there is questions that mystery shoppers. So mystery shoppers, there is like shoppers who go into the stores and they give and pretends to be actual customer. They are not actually the customer, and the company and the businesses then use their insights to better their business and to know what are the flaws in their businesses. So this is about the mystery shoppers, and then there will be an explanation and example of how this phenomena works actually. So suppose how would be the perfect answer for these questions. For instance, let's suppose this is a perfect example of 4 by 4 marks. So it says that, so template would be, your template should explain the first part of the reading, but most importantly the second part, which is the listening, which tests your remembering and memorizing your knowledge about the particular conditions. So the template would be, the reading passage discuss about mystery shoppers and how they benefit the businesses. The passage says that businesses such as retail shoppers and other things, they're using these customers to know what actually customer care services are, and their customer care services agents knows or have the knowledge about that product or services. In the lecture, the professor delves deeper into the subject and mentioned the example of such phenomena. The lecturer explains that one of his friends visited an electronics store and he asked about the camera and his features, his characteristics from the customer or service agent. So he find out that the customer service agent does not have that advanced knowledge about that, or does not know the features about that conditions. So the businesses then use that piece of interaction or knowledge to build their customer services better and improve their customer service engagement by training and by improving their customer care services knowledge. So this is what the mystery shoppers do.